Ever wondered how to turn your Pinterest passion into profit? It's easier than you might think. Pinterest Affiliate is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and influence. This video will guide you through the process. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Pinterest Affiliate? Let's get started. First things first, you need to have a Pinterest account. To create one, simply visit Pinterest homepage and register. Remember, it's crucial to complete your profile and set it to public to maximize visibility. With your Pinterest account set up, you're now ready for the next step. Now it's time to choose an affiliate program that aligns with your interests. Explore options like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. Consider the products you'll promote, commission rates, and the fit with your Pinterest content. Once you've chosen your affiliate program, it's time to move on to the next step. Creating engaging content is key to making money with Pinterest Affiliate. It's not just about plastering the platform with affiliate links. Rather, it's about providing value. Use high-quality images that tell a story. Make them vibrant, compelling, and pin-worthy. In terms of text, keep it short, punchy, and packed with keywords. Keywords increase visibility, drawing in more potential clickers. You want your pins to be a beacon in the sea of content. Remember, the more engaging your content is, the more likely people are to click on your affiliate links. Now that you know the steps to become a Pinterest affiliate, it's your turn to take action. Harness the potential of Pinterest Affiliate, apply these insights, and start earning. Don't wait, start your Pinterest affiliate journey today and turn your passion into profit.